Good afternoon and welcome to the end of week market review for Friday, February 28th, 2014. You are going to see that since last week, we were able to push the US markets back into a rising bullish sentiment, while our Canadian markets are now starting their decline. So this means that the US markets did end the week up. We've got the Dow Jones up 0.30% and the S&P 500 up 0.28%. We do have gold and silver both down, with gold down 0.24% and silver down 0.21%. Oil is up slightly, with it only up 0.15% on the day. Taking a look at our economic reports, you're going to see that our jobless report, which was expected on the 22nd, came in at 348,000 filings. This was in contrast to the 335 that they were expecting. During the middle of the week, we did end up seeing some declines as a result. Obviously, though, things did end up working themselves up again without much concern over that. So with that, we're now pushing ourselves into the daily chart. For the S&P 500, you're going to see that we've actually now broken up above some key resistance and are now at an all-time high. We're actually at a point where we've never seen before. The MACD is rising bullish with the black line over top of the blue line. Looking at the S&P 500 on the weekly chart, you're going to see that it's really up there after finding some support around the 26 EMA 4 weeks ago. Just how high it's going to end up going, we really don't know. What we do know, though, is that it's definitely pushing up higher, despite the fact that the markets really haven't given it a whole lot of reason to work itself up there. Looking at the TSX, you're going to see that it's starting to pull back now, with its upper Bollinger Band pulling back and really starting to decline. The MACD is declining bullish, and with the black line starting to cross down below the blue line. Looking at the weekly, you're going to notice that the decline that we had has been in the last couple of days. We've got a long ways to go down to support, which would be at the 26 EMA. It's very possible that we could end up seeing a decline down that low, considering we haven't seen this for quite some time. Our volatility indicator is looking pretty strong, with it currently at 14. We always like to see that it's below the 200 EMA. As long as it stays down below here, we don't need to be that concerned with large declines. So this has been the end of week market review for Friday, February 28th, 2014. Ciao for now.